are at Hemlock Stone. That's correct, innit? Yeah. Hemlock Stone. Seen some videos on YouTube, so we thought we'd check it out on the day that it decides to snow. So yeah, snowy mornings. Wish us luck for this clag. Let's have a steady recce run. Oh, squeaky brakes. That's not confidence inspiring. Little double there. Table in. Another little table there. Another burn. Another burn. Little sharky there. Another little table. Oh, he's nearly off. He's nearly off. Down here. That little burn. Oh yeah. Little sharky. Caution. Whoa! 2 lines here. Table. This looks a little bit fruity. Big burn. And we're at the bottom. Right, OG was a bit slippy, bit sludgy, taking his time. Let's hit it, bro. Let's drop in, free ride. Let's go. Hey! That's not the line. Little sharky there. Little drop off here. Puddle, puddle. Oh, grim. Absolutely grim. That's where the big step up is there.
Go to the left.
Send the left one. Yoy!
That other one, that first one.
Is this going back on?
And back down to that bottom.
Right, okay, let's not do that one again then.
Yeah.
Okay, push back up and then do burner. Simultaneous beeps.
Yeah, man.
Dropping into burner. Let's get it. Brakes. Oh yeah. Fruity. Oi. Oh yeah. Sludgy bit there. Oh yeah. This looks cool. Quite techy, I like it. Oi. Short but sweet, but
Not bad that.
I enjoyed that. Quite techy.
Yeah, decent little bit of tech. What are you thinking then? Might be over there.
Yeah.
We'll have a look.
On the hunt now to find what I think should be some jumps here. Something in the distance there. It was quite flat and fast and some humps, but nothing screaming big tables.
No.
So we've done burner, free ride and OG. A little bit sketchy, slushy, not much grip. So we're going on a bit of a hunt for other trails, and we found another off the top of unofficial line, so we're going to just hit that now. Oh yeah. Looks like a bit of a drop there.
And then wait for me at the bottom.
Yeah, I'll drop in there, see how it goes.
Drop that side.
Oh yeah. There's a couple of runs here as well. There just runs everywhere. There's a cave here. Aladdin's. Oh, it's just a hole. Yeah, I think so. Oh, this is slippy. Oi. That is slippy, isn't it? Oh. Struggling for traction. Struggling. Spinning. This definitely looks like it's had day jumps. There's definitely been something here. Oh yeah, that looks well fucking naughty.
That'd be good, except for this bit here, look.
Was the kicker a bit shit?
Yeah, it looks a bit fucking... a bit battered. I reckon there was something a bit more here. But it's just not been looked after.
Mate, that looks like a right gnarly rolling. Uh-oh. Yeah. He's gonna go in his arse. Mate, I'm loving your work. Been grafting.
Fucking send it, bro.
Send it, yeah? It looks steep from here, bro. That looks like a drop.
That's fucking just down, man.
Just death.
Yeah. Tell my mama I love her. Oh. Jesus Christ.
Yes, bro.
Oh, it's that last bit, man. Need a bit more. That is not as bad.
No?
No. That's pretty cool, man.
Good. I think you meant jump that though.
Yeah, I nearly made it. I fucking chickened it, didn't I?
Good effort, G.
Cheers, bro.
Okay. Drop it in. I went way off course then.
Bro, you're supposed to jump here.
Oh, it's there.
No, fucking no, man. You
Yeah.
can't get any fucking speed up.
It kills.
It's that last bit that kills all your speed.
Yeah.
I didn't brake there, and I made sure I didn't brake.
Dropping in again. Naughty. Oh, I did the same as you. Ah! We've both pretty much done the same thing.
Yeah.
Front wheel on the landing and missed them, you know, in the gap. So fair play.
Oh shit! Yeah, man, fucking sick.
Sweet. Right, we're back at the top of Hemlock. We just went over to the other side to look what reminiscence used to be. Some dirt jumps. So we want to do a couple more runs down here. It's a bit too slippy and slushy. So yeah, a couple more runs and then head off. Way! Fucking hell, it's sloshy. Drop in.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Piece of piss, man.
Told you.
I could go faster than that. Much faster.
Yeah, look, wait, you fucking proper cased it there.
Loads faster, man.
Told you need cranks.
Yeah, you do.
Well, look, I cranked a couple of times, landed there.
Yeah.
Second time I landed there.
Yeah. Do you want to go and do the fucking...
The whole run. Yeah? Drop it in.
Dropping in half.
Whoa, made a cock up of that. Oh, it's wet. Dropping into burner again. Oh, bit of high gear. Way, hey! Slushy. Near the pedal. Can't see shit. Can't see shit. Oh, you. I just went through that puddle. I couldn't see anything. Like my foot pissed went through.
That was a fast one. I took off over the leading edge. It's like got air.
Oh, you in the fat puddle! Ah, no!
Language, kids. Yeah, there's a puddle on this berm.
Got through my toe.
Yeah, I did the same. Do me glasses. I can't see. They are. Good job you're here, innit? Beautiful. Oh, she's crunchy. We've just sessioned the step up a little bit, done a few runs on that. We're getting a bit cold, his feet are wet.
It's been freezing, man.
So we're gonna drop in now and head to the bottom and head home.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Oh, whoa, he's going off piste. Went off that funny. So, there we have it. We're back in the car park after the first ride for this year. And first time visiting, where have we been? Hemlock Stone? Yeah, Hemlock Stone.
It's a bit dirty, bro.
It's been wet, slippy, but interesting. The trails are good. The three main trails, and there's quite a few off-piste what have been made by the locals, but yeah, all in all it's good. Definitely coming back once it gets drier. So yeah, recommend coming. It's been a good day. What do you reckon, Deeks?
Yeah, man.
Steady.
Good. Decent.
See you later.